Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we've got the 1980 Pontiac Trans Am. Oh yes. Let's see here, I have not even driven this thing yet, so let's see what happens here. Oh, that's missing a screw. Perfect. Let's see. Mint! Starts right up. Ashlyn, thanks for letting me drive this thing. She just bought this thing yesterday for $1,000. And it runs. Boop. You know, that'll work. Da 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 da. Adjust the rearview mirror. Oh, brakes aren't bad. New brakes. Right? There we go. Runs and drives like it should. I have no idea where I'm going, but it will make it work. Drive around in a Trans Am because I feel like I'm in Smokey and the Bandit. If you can't tell, this is going to be a very casual style review because why not? Cruising around main streets and a 19... Come here. I'll wear the seatbelt just to get you to stop doing that. Oh, there you are. Come here. Ta-da! Apparently the thing's got new brakes on it. And they're actually, for 1980, it ain't half bad. I'm gonna roll the window down, because you know what, we're just cruising now. Ta-da. You know, listen, this is a $1,000 car. I know I'm gonna get a comment. Oh, the paint job, all this. You know what? I don't care. It's $1,000 and it runs and drives. You can't even get a modern $1,000 car anymore, let alone one of these. So I don't care what you think. This is pretty damn cool. Green light, please? Someone? Hey, I got one. It's loud and it's proud, and this is the pinnacle of being American. I go this way because this way is fun and it's the only way to go. So loud. We're gonna have to make this work because this is what we do. Hello, people. I shall be coming through. Who's gonna let me go? Probably no one. So I'm gonna go on my own free will, and I'll say thank you to the F-150. Detour with a detour. You know, there's something great about driving an old classic car, and for something that you bought for $1,000, because I did not expect anything to operate in this thing, not even the engine, but it runs and drives for $1,000. Turn signals. Oh, hey, there we go. You know, this video is going to be a very much a casual, more casual kind of video, just cruising Main Street in a 1980 Trans Am, because it's fun. Brakes. I don't see a coolant gauge on this, so that's nice. So if we smell coolant, it's overheating. But you know what? I want to enjoy this without the camera for a little bit. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.